Hello everybody, this is Dr. Adriana Lopez. Thanks for being with me in this Orthodontics module session number 7. And remember, if you see this little white tooth next to a question mark, that means that's a slide that you definitely want to pay attention to because one or two questions might come on the exam regarding that topic. And today we're going to start talking a little bit about growth and development. And let's start talking about the Scammons curve. Definitely something that you should know for the test. Well, the Scammons curve points out 4 major tissue systems of the body since birth until 20 years of age. These 4 major tissue systems are genital,